today, but change the starter on a 6-speed Altima SCR. Shouldn't take that long. Let's get it. Remember, if it clicks, loud click noise, or you turn the ignition and there's no sound, most likely a starter, but I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's get it. First things first, jack the car up. I can't put this on the ramp because the car's too low. I'm gonna put it on I'm gonna get a jack it up. Once you jack it up, you put it on a ramp. Don't forget your safeties. If you have a ramp, fuck it. Put a wood behind the back wheel or something, just in case. Don't forget your goggles. Get your goggles because you're about to go under the car. That's it. Let's get started. All right, tools you need. I got a ratchet. I got 12 for the battery terminal. 12, 13, one of those. 14 for the starter, and 10 mil. And yeah, that's it. That's all you need. Deep. You need a small 14 and a deep 14, just in case. Never know. Extendo, just in case. And a flathead. Let's get it. First things first, remove this terminal. Negative terminal. Take that on. Just know if you have a radio setting, everything's gonna reset. Now, you take your flathead and take this off. Fuse box. You gotta push in these tabs on the corner over here. I don't know if you see it. Corner right here, you see that? Those tabs. Gotta push it in. You see? You gotta push the tab in. Like so. See that? Push it back, and same thing with the other side. That. Bam. Okay. Now pull it up. Bam. Let's get it to the corner. You can take off the battery if you want, but I don't want to. It's 14 mil right there. I don't know if you see it. You see it right there. Okay. See the 14 mil right over here. Right there. It's 14 mil. Just like that. See that? Now loosen it. Okay. Yeah, as soon as you loosen it, take out the bolt. Oh shit, well, one job. Fucking dropped it. Okay. It's 14 mil. Don't lose it. Put it somewhere. Now you gotta go to the bottom of the car and get the rest. Don't forget, put your goggles on so nothing falls in your eye. Now let's go under. As you see, it's 14 mil right here, and you gotta remove the positive terminal off here first. Over here. Take that off first. It'll make it easier. If you take this out first, it's gonna be hard to take this out. So let's loosen this first. Looks like a 12 to me. All right, it is a 12. Lucky. Now loosen it. All right, let's use a socket. Make it faster. All right, let's loosen that. Let's take that shit off. Okay, that's out. Don't lose that 12 mil. You're gonna need that. Now, let's take off the terminal. Just like that. Let's put it to the side like that. Now let's disconnect the starter. Push down from the top. Take it out. Just like that. Now let's loosen this thing. You can use a socket or a wrench I'm gonna use the speed drill. I'm gonna use the wrench first to break it open, to break it loose. Slowly. Okay, put that somewhere good. Now, stick the starter. Gotta wiggle a little bit. Take it out. Just like that. Pop it out. Just like that. There's your starter. Okay, once you get your new starter, or get that checked out, see if it worked, put it back, reverse, tighten that up. All right, now it's tight. Now take your positive terminal, just like that. Take your 12 bolt, take your bolt, your 12, put it on there, like so. Let's tighten that up. Okay. Just make sure you put the coat over it so it don't get wet. Now put your connector on. Connector. Don't forget this. Car definitely won't start. Just like that. It's good. Now let's do the top. Tighten your top bolt. Tight. Okay, it's tight. Now connect your negative terminal on there. That. Tighten it. Okay. Don't forget to put this back on there. Just like that, and just push it down. Okay. Done deal. Now, let's make sure it starts. You're done. You are done. When you take it out, sometimes I go to the parts store just to make sure it's a starter, because they'll tell you they have a machine that can check the starter to make sure it works or not. So I'll go there first, see if it works. I go to AutoZone. I don't know where else does it. AutoZone does it. I go there, tell them check the starter. They check it for me, good or bad. And make sure when you get a starter, you ask for a manual. The manual one is like, a male, male connector, and the automatic is a female connector. So, know the difference. If you got any questions, already know. Comment below. Hit me on Instagram. Give me a like if I helped you out. And subscribe.